Today we'll talk about how can you pay on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Groupon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, so you just here choose any tickets you want to pay here. I'm going to click on this tickets here. Just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on pay now here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video like this here. So when you just click on it here, can you select how many here if you want to add two or any of this here. So then you just click here on pay with Google Pay here. Just click on it in this sign. So then here you click here on continue here. So to add your card pay, then it's going to pay with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.